Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Devaram, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Government Dungun College, Bikaner. Today, in this lecture, we are going to study about soil formation. First of all, we discuss what is soil formation. Soil formation or pedogenesis. Pedogenesis is the process of soil formation. Is the combined effect of human impact on environment, physical, chemical and biological process working on soil parent material. The important is climate that regulate soil formation. Soils are more developed in areas with the higher rainfall and more warmth. The rate of chemical weathering increases by 2-3 times when the temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius. The soil forming process include the addition, losses, translocation and transformation. These are the important process in the forming of soil. Process of horizon formation in the soil formation, soil profile. Uh, First of all, addition, water from rainfall, oxygen and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, OM from decomposition of plants and animal residue, eroded material from sediments, eroded nutrient or ions from rainwater, atmosphere, etc., and energy from sunlight. All these are the additions. Now, losses, water through evapotranspiration, nitrogen by denitrification and volatilization, oxygen and carbon dioxide through oxidation of other material, soil by erosion, water and nutrient by leaching, and energy by radiation. Translocation from one location to another. Salts that are dissolved in water. Nutrient that cycle in plants and soil by animals, for example, earthworms. Illuviation. It is the mobilization and translocation of certain constituents, as clay, iron, alumina, silica, humus, calcium carbonate, and other salts from one point of soil body to another. It is the process of removal of constituent in suspension or solution by the percolating water from the upper to lower layers. The horizon formed by process of illuviation is termed as illuvial horizon, E2 or E horizon. So these are the different horizon in the soil, and horizon 1, A, B, C, and all these are called as soil profile. Transformation, physical weathering that changes the size of rocks, chemical weathering that change of produce various salts or nutrient, formation of humus by decomposition of other materials, and reaction of clay with oil. These are the process in the formation of soil. In this, melanization, glaciation, calcification, podzolization, and laterization. First of all, melanization. Melanization is the development of dark humus-rich coating on paved face and mineral grain, rendering the horizon a dark brown or black. This process is very common in the region of low humidity, where humus is formed from organic matters. Due to melanization, the black humus along with water is mixed in a horizon which becomes dark color. The degree to which a soil becomes melanized is a function of rate and duration of humus production. The second one is glycation. The term gly is of Russian origin, which means blue, grey, or green clay. The glycation is the process of soil formation resulting in development of gly or clay horizon in the lower part of soil profile above parent material due to poor drainage condition or lack of oxygen and where water low condition prevail. So this is the glycation over parent material. This process is not particularly dependent on climate as high rainfall as in humid region, but often on the drainage condition. Under reducing condition and due to ferrous compound, the soil color becomes blue, grey or grey, and the rate of decomposition of organic matter is very low. These together result into accumulation of a sticky, compact layer of blue, grey or grey color at the bottom of the horizon, and this process is called glaciation and the soil is called glaze. Now third one is the calcification. It is the process of precipitation and accumulation of calcium carbonate at the base of the horizon. It is typical of grassland and occurs in the areas of low precipitation. The accumulation of calcium carbonate may result in the development of a calcium horizon. Calcium is readily soluble in acid soil water or when CO2 concentration is high in the root zones. This is the process of calcification in the root zones. Now, podzolization. It is the process of soil formation resulting in which formation of podzol and podzolic soil which are highly acidic and infertile. It is the negative of calcification. Conifer produce litter contains high lignin and low nutrient calcium content, rich in phenolic compound which inhibited microbial activities, and layer is acidic in nature. So this is the process of podzolization. And now last one is the lateralization. It refers especially to a particular cemented horizon in the certain soil which when dried become very hard like a brick. Such soil when massive impregnant with the aluminium or iron sectosoid is extend to 70-80% of the total mass are called laterite. The soil forming process is called lateralization. Under high temperature regime and high rainfall in the tropic, the silicate minerals are very unstable and these sesquioxide oxide of the parent material are resistant to the decomposition and it leaves a residue of primary laterite. So these are the process of lateralization. Thank you very much.